What would happen if the US military disappeared overnight? NATO would lose its backbone, leaving Europe vulnerable to Russian aggression. Countries like Poland and the Baltic states would be forced to rapidly militarize or risk invasion. But Ukraine would be devastated because without the US military, Russia could launch a full-scale invasion and completely absorb the country. Without the US military, Iran would expand its influence unchecked and prepare its army for an attack on Israel. Israel would face existential threats without American protection, unable to withstand the combined pressure of the Middle East. In the Pacific, China could immediately seize Taiwan and continue expanding its influence across the Pacific Ocean, while North Korea would see its chance to launch aggression against South Korea. In Africa, many nations that rely on US training and support for regional security would struggle to maintain stability. Armed groups could grow stronger, threatening governments and peace across the continent. Without the US military, global trade routes would become vulnerable to piracy and conflict. The disappearance of the world's strongest military wouldn't bring peace. It could trigger chaos on a scale the world hasn't seen in decades.